That's a part of me making you the sons of Yahweh, is that I must give you discernment so that you can distinguish between righteousness and wickedness and be able to choose. Once you take this knowledge into your mind, you can't be the same. You might choose to go out and serve wickedness, but you still can't be the same. You're a different fella out there. And as I teach you this knowledge, I'm in the process of slaying the wicked. Now, it doesn't seem reasonable that I can have an in-house group away from Satan, not on the public airways. And just by teaching you the knowledge of the wicked and the righteous nature of man and mankind. Man is one who has a righteous nature, but he has the propensity to be wicked. Mankind has a wicked nature and can't be righteous. He can only be a hypocrite to the righteous. What a class this is. Praise Yahweh. Now, I'm real proud of you that I see with your tablet out along with your Bible, and you that have dictionaries with you, and you're taking notes. I'm watching you do it. And I'm proud of you because this is going to mean something to you later as you keep it and study it. But if you sit here without a book in your hand taking notes, is what I say, you're going to die from among us. As you sit here with your arms on the chair and nothing in your hand, you should question yourself as to why you are here. Because all you are receiving is an emotional experience. And when you leave here tonight, you will have nothing to draw on. All you have tomorrow night is, well, I know Yahweh is God. Yahweh ben Yahweh taught heavy, but I know he taught on the wicked. That's all you'll remember. Now, you can redeem yourself if you're sitting in here without a pencil and paper and taking notes. You can redeem yourself. When you get home, run to your dictionary and look up wicked. Don't you feel better now? Well, now you know you don't have to die out of here. You can go home and get your dictionary and pull out the word wicked and then get your notebook and save yourself. This is delicious. What was that word? A nature, I can't get over it. A nature of vice. A nature of evil. A nature of immorality. Immoral behavior is the opposite of what's on this board. I am going to slay the unrighteous. Wicked. We cannot go lightly over this. Nature is unjust. So when you go to court, what do you expect? What kind of decision? Unjust. That's their nature. Are they guilty? Must they be slain? I'm here to slay them. The wicked. Now the wicked couldn't possibly love me, revealing them. They don't love me if I don't reveal them. You not revealing them, do they love you? What kind of nature do the wicked hate? Downright devil. He is the opposite of the righteous. He is the opposite of the upright man. Yahweh cursed him to crawl on his belly horizontally. He can never get up. Snake can raise his head. And raise a tumult. They raise their head and make a tumult. But they can't stay upright. In order to move on off, he got to drop his head, get back down in the dirt, and slither. Now you understand some of that, huh? That's what that means in Psalms 83. Yeah.
Nadir, a point on the celestial sphere diametrically opposite the zenith.
Diametrically opposed. He is diametrically opposed. He's diametrically the opposite. Everything that stands for righteous, his nature is the opposite. How do you force a devil to be an officer of peace? By you demonstrating a righteous nature. Remember the word, Yahweh says, the wicked have no power over the righteous. Your uprightness, your upright nature has power over the downright. Just has power over the unjust. When a country becomes too unjust for the people to stand it, they have what they call today what? A revolution or a coup. And they do what? Overthrow the unjust ruler. If they become intolerable enough, I don't care what kind of army he has. The people make up the army. The army is not some phantom. Police is not a phantom. Police are people. They can only rule with the consent of the people. They become too oppressive, and all the people change, son. Then the whole army and everybody change. They just change right. Hey, man, I'm not finna get killed. Mess with me. I'm with y'all, brother. Hey, no. We see that the devil's nature is dishonest. He only pretends to be honest to get you to trust him so he can get you on the next turn. Nature. Look up nature for me, right? I think we might get a further education by understanding nature. Okay.
Nature, the intrinsic characteristics and qualities of a person or thing.
Don't need to go no further. You can go as far as you want to with that, but that says enough for me. The intrinsic. Might look that word up. The intrinsic what? Characteristics. This devil's nature is an intrinsic characteristic and quality
of a person.
Intrinsic. Nature is the intrinsic.
Intrinsic, pertaining to the essential nature of a thing.
Essential. He can't live without that. That's his essential quality. Come on.
Inherent.
He's born inherent. Inherent. Inborn. a creation the devil is. His intrinsic characteristic and quality is inherent. Inborn. Look up inherent. Come on.
Inherent. Existing as an essential constituent or characteristic. Intrinsic.
I knew it goes deeper than what Random House said right there. That's why we have to have a lot of different dictionaries. Can't trust one.
Inherent. Existing in something as a permanent and inseparable element.
A permanent and inseparable element of his character and capability and capacity. That's his nature. Wickedness is an inherent part of his character. A permanent, indelible, unchangeable. Come on.
Existing in something as a permanent and inseparable element, quality, or attribute.
Wickedness is permanent, inherent, intrinsic character and quality.
It's existing in something as a permanent and inseparable element, quality, or attribute. Infixed.
Infixed. You can't move it. It's inside of him. Its wickedness is fixed.
Ingrained.
There's that word. I knew I had a dictionary that told me about ingrained. It's ingrained. You know, like what the devil calls, what bees and have, what they call it? Instinct. Instinct is called ingrained. See? A bee that does this number and the ant and all that, that's ingrained behavior. A bee is going to act like a bee. Okay, where you take him and what you do to him, he's still going to be a bee. His nature is to be what he is. It's ingrained. It's changeless. It's indelible. Yahweh made it like this, like a computer chip. Unless you change the chip, it's going to act the same every time. And this devil's nature is wickedly ingrained. And you think you can befriend the devil? If you be real nice to a devil, you can change his nature, right? No, he's letting you know by definition, if once you wake up to understand him, no way, he's ingrained.
Inbred.
See there, I told you, inbred. What can you do with this devil but slay him? Yahweh said the wicked must be chased where? Out of the whole world. But you're going to have pity, aren't you? If you have pity on the wicked, are they going to come back? And they'll change, won't they? Your nature is to have peace. His nature is to destroy your peace. He said, we're not bothering them. We're not bothering anybody. Why these devils want to come mess with us? That's the nature. That's his nature. You just better prepare yourself how to handle that sucker when he comes, because he's coming. He is definitely coming.
Innate.
Innate. Innate. Ingrained. Inbred. Innate.
native,
native. That's his original habitat. Nobody, takes his place in that. That's his turf. Thank you. Now give me inbred and ingrained. Either one. Ingrained, inbred. What was the other one? Innate.
Ingrained. To impress indelibly on the mind or nature.
There's that word. His wickedness is impressed in his nature indelibly. And when I come along and say, I'm going to, here in Isaiah 11 and 4, right there is out of my mouth, and with the breath of my lips, I'm going to slay the wicked, and then I'll let him know who the wicked are. The black Jacob that's dead to the knowledge of the nature of the devil will get angry with me. And I'm there to rescue him from the poison and the intended destruction of the wicked against him. But he hates me for telling him I'm going to slay his wicked master.
Ingrained. To fix.
His nature is fixed.
Infused.
Infused?
Yes, sir.
You know what infused, that's like burned in, meshed together. It's sealed together. I mean, there's nothing you can do about it. Parted together. Welded together. Infused. Bonded.
Deeply rooted.
The nature of the wicked man is deeply rooted. See, the end comes when I reveal the son of perdition. He is not revealed because you say he's the devil. Reveal means when he is totally opened up for the world to see. To uncover him. To shine the light on his nature. That's when his wrath will come down. When he see that, man, I don't have a chance now. Everybody see me.
Ingrained. Instilled.
Instilled into him. Go back to
Innate. Possessed at birth.
Hold it. Give me Psalm 58:3. Everybody turn. I can't believe this. Look what research will do. Look what study with Yahweh ben Yahweh in moral behavior will do. Read.
The wicked are estranged from the womb. They go astray as soon as they be born, speaking lies.
John 8:44. Let's see who the liar is. Psalm 58:4, before you go over there. Psalm 58:4. Read.
Their poison is like the poison of a serpent. They are like the deaf adder that stoppeth her ears.
Praise Yahweh. The poison lets you know they're a serpent. The wicked are serpent. Serpent, Genesis 3:1. Talk to Eve. Same serpent, cursed the crawl in his belly. Same serpent, the father of Cain. The same serpent is the father of all lies, John 8:44. He come out the womb line, so he's of who? His father, the devil.